How to transfer MoneyGram to bank account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer MoneyGram to bank account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and further open the MoneyGram web page. Once opened, make sure you are signed in and now tap on the Send Money tab from the navigation bar. Now, select a receiver or enter the receiver name if you are sending to someone new. Further, enter the amount you want to send and where you are sending. Now, select the Direct to Bank Account or Account Deposit option. Further, select your preferred online payment option, that is, directly from your bank account, debit or credit card. Then, choose the Direct to Bank Account or Account Deposit Receive method. Now go ahead and enter the receiver information. You will need your recipient's full legal name and bank account information, or in eligible countries, you can give your receiver's mobile phone number and they will receive a text asking them to enter their own account information. Finally, review and send. Review your transaction details and send the money. Your money will arrive directly to the bank account with no action required by the receiver. So, this is how you can transfer MoneyGram to bank account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.